What's up, creators? Forget everything you know about AI video. KLING 2.0 just dropped, and after 48 hours of testing, I'm convinced this is the update we've been waiting for. For 100 credits per video, you get Formula 1 cars that actually look fast, characters with genuine weight, and editing tools that make Photoshop look primitive. These 5 features will transform your content game, and I guarantee number 3 will have you reaching for your wallet. Feature 1, hyper-realistic dynamic action. Let's start with the crown jewel. Dynamic motion that actually looks, wait for it, dynamic. The difference between KLING 1.6 and 2.0 is like comparing a flipbook to an IMAX experience. I tested these by creating a Maasai warrior riding a Cape buffalo across the savannah. With 1.6, we got the usual molasses in winter movement, but with 2.0, pure adrenaline. The buffalo charges across the frame with believable physics and weight that will make your viewers forget they're watching AI-generated content. Want to create Formula 1 cars that don't look like they're driving through invisible pudding? 2.0 delivers with incredible camera shake that responds to your prompts with scary accuracy. Chase sequences, superhero flights, mythical creatures, all suddenly viable without that telltale AI sluggishness. And speaking of making you want to punch the air in triumph, Feature 2, Kolors 2.0, text-to-image on OVERDRIVE. KLING's built-in image generator got a serious upgrade. Kolors 2.0 now has prompt adherence that makes GPT-4 look indecisive. I threw this prompt at it. Front-facing woman wearing a black jacket and gray scarf with medium-length brown hair, sitting inside a train cabin, resting her head against a rain-streaked window. Outside, train tracks and Japanese countryside houses are visible. Kodak Portrait film, look. Every single detail rendered perfectly. The rain on the window, check. The exact wardrobe, check. The film's aesthetic, chef's kiss. But wait, because the next feature might be my personal favorite. Feature 3, Restyle. Reimagine any image instantly. Have you ever generated an image you love but wished you could see it in different styles without starting from scratch? Restyle is your new best friend. Upload any image, and with a simple prompt like 90s anime style or made entirely of origami, KLING analyzes your composition and transforms it while preserving the core elements. I uploaded an image of a grandmother sipping tea with a car on fire behind her, don't ask, and restyled it as made entirely of origami. The results were jaw-dropping, perfectly folded paper maintaining all the chaotic energy of the original. And if that wasn't enough to make you slam that subscribe button, Feature 4, INPAINTING and OUTPAINTIng, edit like a pro. Need sunglasses on your model? Want to swap that red bomber jacket for a blue puffer? KLING now offers seamless inpainting that lets you select specific elements and transform them without affecting the rest of the image. The outpainting feature is equally impressive, allowing you to expand your image beyond its original borders. Perfect for adapting horizontal images for vertical social media formats without awkward cropping. But I've saved the best for last. Feature 5, Multi-Elements. Video in painting magic. This feature alone is worth the price of admission. While it uses the 1.6 model, not 2.0, Multi-Elements lets you swap, add, or remove objects and characters from your videos. Want to replace that Jack Russell with a Shiba Inu? One click. Need a cat perched on your bank robber's shoulder? Done. Want to remove that photobomber from your perfect shot? The AI fills in the background as if they were never there. Pro tip, for best results, generate replacement images against white backgrounds. It helps the AI extract your subject cleanly. Is KLING 2.0 worth the 100 credits per video? Absolutely. This isn't just another update. It's AI video finally crossing the uncanny valley. Despite occasional glitches, the dynamic action alone revolutionizes what's possible with AI-generated content. KLING has transformed from a very intriguing tool into essential creative software. If this breakdown was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. New videos drop every week, bringing you the latest tech without the fluff. Let us know in the comments which feature impressed you most. Until next time, this is the enhanced future. Keep creating the extraordinary.